suffer. She born you make
me joy. My boys, they for street where they give me joy. She won't give me joy. She not give me joy.
26 today. I'm no longer living in Agbo again. I've relocated to the city of Abuja. I'm here chasing my dreams. I've even bought my own car now. I wish you both could see all the beautiful
Welcome
things.
to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did Zuzu? Hey, how are we all doing? I hope you are doing well. Yes, I bring this our brother. This story they one kind touch where no be saying a touch story when it happened now, but I feel so emotional when I say this our brother. When many of us go know Lucky Udu, I be Lucky Udu. I see him for Facebook yesterday when he talked about his father and his mother. I wish they are here to witness where his son did today. Let's listen and let's drop our talk. Let's drop our opinion and other ones today where he don't know the value of his mom. He don't know the value of his mother. You know, this one, he don't... My people, let's go there. Let's listen to our brother Lucky Udu. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations to you, 26 years old boy. See where he don't reach today, but no mother to enjoy that weight. It was very, very touchy. Let's listen.
Well, since I made a video like this, your boy is growing up really fast. I just clocked 26 today. I'm no longer living in Agbo again. I've relocated to the city of Abuja. I'm here chasing my dreams. I've even bought my own car now. I wish you both could see all the beautiful things that I'm doing in my life right now. I'm no longer on the street hustling. God has really been compassionate to me. I've graduated from school. I've started my own company. I even have a honorary doctorate award. The last time I told you guys I had few fans, but guess what? I have more than 1 million fans. I've really made this family proud. I just wish I had left a brother or a sister. I think the only thing left in my life right now is a partner. But I know that time is what stops everything from happening at once. I miss you, Dad. I miss you, Mom. I just wish I even knew what you guys look like. I can't see my future, Sha, but from where I'm standing, I have a feeling that my future is bright. I hope that someday we'll meet and never to part again. Amen.
Amen. So touched.
Dear Mom.
Watch that one when he gets mom. When he gets mother, he don't know the value of a mother. You know, this life is something else. Let's watch this guy.
You know, everyone here, I feel follow the talk.
Don't follow me. I don't want you.
Even if you don't want here, see your mom there. I want to tell you something, bro. See, is it for this life we do? A man you be.
And wait to come up if
calm down now. Calm down. Don't say calm down. You know blow the heart. You know you quarrel. A man you be. Look, see this woman now. Everything what she did do now for this life. Everything what she did do now, not just for you. And her mother's love. You understand my point? Everything she did do now, and because of you, she did do. She's not doing it because she won't bore or she won't go flex her life. And because of you, she did do. She no born you make she suffer you, and she no born you make she suffer. She born you make you give them joy. Everybody's supposed to know the kind of family.
Come on, wait. Maybe she go give me joy. My boys, they for street where they give me joy. She won't give me joy.
Mama, she
not give me joy. Which kind of joy be that one?
Wait, Mama, is that your picking with this?
Now my picking, no, not the only picking one I get to.
Is it your you know what people when no get my money suffer?
That one concern them now. You should be Oga, you distress me. You see the sock now.
I never jam this kind of thing. You open my tail for your mother front, so your mom they give you joy.
No, why she won't give me joy? Now people wait for my guys wait for.
Why don't they collect those your guys' money? Give her own money.
Now own money I go fit carry. I no fit go carry for outside. If I go carry for outside na thief. I no fit go thief for outside. Now my mama no be she born me.
Mama,
no be carry
police. The police will call you.
But I no want call police for the only son I get now.
Oh, no be about only son where you get. See what you're picking they do you now. Until this shop close. You are here now. What you say?
Alpha, no be today police they carry us. You should be police. Now we won't come to use police they trace for you.
Bro, man, I want me to calm down more talk. I beg. Just see. Wait. Just give me 3 minutes. Do you understand? If you give me 3
minutes. 3 minutes too.
Yeah, just give me 3 minutes.
We are now. Are they here waiting? But waiting up.
I'm not follow you talk now.
Yeah, waiting up.
See, I know say maybe this woman now don't make you verse 1 or 2 ways. I will let me tell you what's in the verse you.
Alpha, not in the verse me.
Bro, follow
me. I won't live my life. Me nobody will call this stress. I don't like stress. You stress me now. All this kind of talk goes. By this time, I know we are supposed to do now.
Bro, follow me talk.
My guys they wait for me for street.
Follow me talk.
No be talk. I follow you talk. I won't keep quiet.
See, even if this woman they make you verse, and your mother should be. I swear to God, you don't get to mama. You understand my point, bro? I want me to be my man. You don't get to mama. I want everybody for this life. You get people who don't get mama. Again, they come out like this, you'll be like, come on. I will say my mama died alive. What is that for to do for her? Some people see my boss already now. Imagine saying I come make money, she not there again. Who won't go enjoy? Wait, hear me now. Who won't go enjoy the money?
My wife go there enjoy him. I no go born, I no go get wife. We should be who won't go enjoy. If she die, she die now. I don't concern you. Beg.
My people. My people. I hope now, as I see the video, say our brother Lucky Udu. Say, Dad, Mom, now pikin all the street street of Agbo. Now pikin don dey Abuja. I wish una dey alive to witness my progress. He go dey happy. He no even get brother. Now lay one head. My people. Now I jam this Baba. When the devil they try to, the guy they try to want talk. He say if your mama akpeme, you no concern her. He say if your mama anything happen to her, you no concern her. The person God they tell her and say, what? No, pardon the background noise. I be mom of two today na Sunday. What does something come happen? He said, what is concerning? If anything happen to your mama, my people, may we not give birth to a pikin when you don't know our value. My people, I was shocked. What do you want to talk about this matter? One, I blame her mom. I blame his mom. Ask me why I blame his mom. You hear when that young guy say, mommy is to take police. So mama say, oh, I want this police to arrest one child when I get. You know, some people and one child when they get, just because they get one child, just because they get one child when they get, if that pikin they misbehave, they do something, swear to correct them. They don't correct them. They'll just sit down yaka. They do say, and my pikin, one pikin, no, they pamper. Not be saying you know pamper your pikin, but when your pikin they go wrong, tackle that thing because now you go suffer in future. Now how can this boy not even get mother love? Later they go say na demon entrance. Later they go say na person entrance. Later they go say na they do one. Pikin not get mother love. He lack of mother love. My people, what you not get to talk? Pikin no say, "Im mama they suffer. Im mama need him." Pikin no know.
Naija Daughter teaches me. This money, no.
Yes, I did background. I did watch movie fashion too, but and then because say people they write you, I say, me I quickly now I say enter. Okay, my people, according to waiting I they talk. Yeah, I would they just now. I make me know one. Some people get mother, they don't know the value. When some get the two parents, they don't know the value. When some get siblings, they don't know the value because they see they inside poverty. But this person now, this our brother Lucky Udu, he parents, be like say his parents they don't get before they die, both of them die. But today now he don't get parents, he don't get siblings. Then he don't be man, he don't be 26 years old guy. When he don't try for himself, when he they tell his parents he don't come up for street, he is doing well. He don't come up for Agbo, go Abuja. He don't get company. He don't they do well. I wish you guys did to witness una son life. Na not dey there again. Now they see. Then this guy now just be person when they grow. Only one child when mother get. He say me mama payment. They say if you can't make money, Lucky do not make money. He knows Lucky do not make money. He knows say he go marry wife when he go enjoy him. Abi, but he still they miss him mom. He they miss him dad. He they miss siblings. When this one is stand, he say if his mama will die, he say not get anything to mix. My people, we should train our children. May we not just look say, now only this one I get. Hey, let me papa. When you are paparing him, remember tomorrow, papa your child and control your child and try to correct your child with love. When this guy they try to tell and say, see the word of mother, he say no concern. Waiting for him say you move. He not concern him. See his mother, see the rapper when his mother tie. It's here. See the store when they say pikin they steal, nothing they the store. The woman just tried to struggle. How old is this boy? Where you don't know good or from bad? How old? How old? Some people, I don't really know how I want to put them. Pikin when you go no parents, it is small. From small, now know this pikin go no parents. This pikin go know how to show love. This pikin go know how to give. Small pikin, they are as we they grow. Now they think they know works. Not be when you don't reach there. These guys now pikin when you go know his mama, when you go no good. These guys supposed to focus on his school, focus on his study. I see some people when they go come back from school, they see them online. They'll bring blessing, breakthrough. Go meet their mama for his house. They'll they hawk. Good Samaritan go see them. Go say you say mama, na me and mama. In any time you go pet your mama in all day. I be this guy when I drop in the comment section. Now Billy say they don't pull hand. Some things not be say they pull hand. Now how they tell raise that child, it matter a lot. Just because now one eye. The way when some children now go they misbehave, leave her. Maybe he and others go they fight and they as you tell see as the mother you go come get one child supposed to tight your rope. Tight your rope. You know, then one kind, you know, I don't know how I want to put and restrict. You they restrict because now they want that child. Now you get if it's spoiled. Who not just get at all, you better pack you. One child, I know a lot of one child. When they make money, only one child. They carry their mother like egg. Only one child. This one they find mama dead. Now only when mama born, nobody dey in front, nobody dey in back. Now only when mama born. Okay, mama born only him now. The only mother when they see as a mother, if they say me, say innocent. That one not be juju. Okay, the one help and discipline now. He say me deliver now only one child he get. For me, not be by carry go court. Some discipline they never too big now. I don't understand, shall maybe now as I take grow. This guy never too big now. Now small pikin. When mama go sit down on top her, aye, maybe go fit beat mama. Mama go sit down on top that mouth. Some discipline they when Africa, when mostly Nigerians or West Africa they give their children, they will say now, some children deserve them. How can this boy they wish his mother dead? How can this guy they talk back? If you want to talk back so your mom, now so you take do. No respect, no regard. You wish your mother. See if you get money, your wife go there. Now that your kid. Look in a guy when he suffer, struggle. Today they touch people life they go. You they find way how you want to teach your mama small sense. Like say they tie your two hand. When me small, I small. I'm how old? When I did, I'm not sure. Say maybe like 13 years, 14 years. I don't they know how to make 1 naira, 2 naira. Yes. Any child when they around my mom must teach you how to do business. Because that is her field. If my mom buys something, go buy, give you. Make you sell. Make you learn how to, make money. Not be say the money I will get with her business. My mama will still give. But at least she's training me for the things when she did do. Yeah, I wish I did Nigeria today. Me, I know they like this. So, I know they like this. A lot of things they want for put to my hand. They do. Now you just stay there. You don't know the value of your mother. You they talk bad about your mother. Let me leave that part. Congratulations, my brother. I feel so emotional when I watched that video yesterday. Don't worry, may God give you good wife. You'll be 26 years now. Not bad. Say you married at the age of 26, at the age of 20, at the age of 25. Then that your wife will start giving birth. Those children will come your brother, come your sister. Your wife will be your brother, it will be your sister, it will be your mother, it will be your parents. Okay? I know. I can't wait to see your wife. Lucky Udo. I can't wait. Lucky Udo. I believe so. I can't wait to see your wife. Congratulations, more win. More win. You they miss your parents. Other one they wish mama death. God protect my mama. Give my mama long life so that I can take care of my mom the way I love. I will meet my mom in a good condition. May God give her life so that I will meet her. That's my prayer. Those who get mother, they don't know the word, they don't know the value. You, when you don't get her now, they miss your parents. I send you my love, Lucky Udo. Congratulations. Keep winning, keep shining, keep it up. I don't even know. My children, they distract me. One just they here and I carry something. They say me I open for her. And then when mommy face she dey here, I dey wash her. Okay, my people. Now this one get to talk. Drop your opinion on that. I appreciate all my returning. May the good Lord bless you guys. I have you guys in my heart. Okay, may God bless you. In this kind, I talk about celebrity. I talk any news. I talk big YouTuber. My channel just dey back big YouTube. I talk anything when I see. Without anywhere at all, I talk about it. Okay. Do not forget to subscribe if you like what is on the video so that anytime I upload that particular thing, you will always come back to watch. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like. Okay, I need to the vibe will just get us nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.